Alright guys, we are in the Fiat 500 Abarth. This is the convertible. It's been a while since I've been in one of these cars, and it's definitely one of my favorite small hot hatches, just because of how entertaining it is. It sounds good. I have a very Italian driving position right now, and I haven't really driven one of these on track yet, so I'm curious to see how it does. We have kind of playful handling, typical front-wheel drive feel. A couple pops from the exhaust there. I love how close the shifter is to the steering wheel. It's almost like a touring car. Pops between shifts there. Pedals are nicely set up for heel and toe. It has really nice ride quality, but it's at the same time sharp turn in from the front end, and you can really hold your line quite well. This thing would be a blast on a back road, that's for sure. Kind of runs out of steam in the higher RPMs. But it does have a lot of mid-range torque. Feel the stability control there kicking in, braking those inside wheels to get the car rotated. This thing falls somewhere in between clown car and fun hot hatch. It really is a blast. Okay. Yeah, we're doing lead follow laps today at the Mama's Fall Rally, and this is probably one of the few cars that you'd be driving for these laps and you'd actually get a chance to push a little bit. Everything else is pretty high powered, pretty grippy. The Fiat 500 is, this Fiat 500C Abarth is it's just fun. That's all it is. It has good performance, but really, this is a fun street car. I've once made the argument this is maybe one of the most fun vehicles in a parking lot, just because it's tight, it's small, it has a really tiny footprint, and you can have a lot of fun with the exhaust. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, we'll see you later.